Hello friends, welcome to Tutorials Point. In this video, we will talk about the different stages that your job goes through. So when a job is submitted, it goes through the following 4 stages: preparing stage, queuing stage, running stage and finalizing stage. In the preparing stage, you upload your script to the cloud and the compile service basically compiles the script and optimizes the script and prepares a plan. In the queuing stage, your job is waiting for resources to be allocated. By resources, I mean the analytic units. So for example, if for your account all the different jobs are using the different AUs, I said the maximum allocation is 250. So if all the other jobs are using the analytic units, then your job has to wait. So it has to wait in the queuing stage. You can avoid waiting by in fact giving a lower priority number. So giving a lower priority number basically indicates that your job is of higher priority, and as soon as any available analytic units are there, your job will be executed. And the third stage is the running stage, where it actually runs and you incur cost only in the running stage and not in any other stage. And the fourth stage is the finalizing stage, where the job finalizes the output file. So you can get errors in any of the different stages. For example, you can get compile errors in the preparing stage, or timeout errors in the queuing stage, or execution errors in the running stage. So in the next video, we will look at what really happens when you submit a job. Thank you.